Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday, otherwise known in phonics world, blending day. Now let's go over the sounds that we are doing again this week. So we are doing the Z sound, represented by the letter Z. We are doing the Y sound, represented by the letter Y, and the Ng sound, represented by NG. Now, just to quickly go over once again that when we hear z immediately after a short vowel, so a, e, I, o, u, we then need to use a double z rather than a single. So let's say that the word is fuzz. We're going to go f, and then up, and there's my short vowel, the sound. Now I can hear z comes after it, but because the z comes after my short vowel, I need to double the sound there. Now today we're going to be doing blending, and as you can see real quickly, there's a short vowel, double z or double z. There's a short vowel, double z. Now remember, blending is when we are stretching and pushing those sounds together as opposed to sounding out each sound to help us read the word. So what we don't want to do is go j, a, z. That is not blending. That is what we call sounding out, which doesn't help us to read the word perfectly. Because let's say that we sounded out each of these sounds here. Z, I, g, z, a, g. I'm already going to forget a lot of these sounds up here by the time I finish sounding out these sounds back here. So it's important for us to get into that habit of sounding out the sounds. As stretching out the sounds as we go through them. So for example, here I can see there are three sounds represented by the three dots. I'm going to push these first two together. Ja, ja, jazz, jazz, jazz. Come over here for this sound down here. So z, z, zip, zip. Now here I'm going to break up this one down here. I'm going to break up this word into two. And I'm going to stop it just after the vowel. So here is the vowel. There's a consonant. Here's where I'm going to break it up. And I'm going to do it like this to break it up so I can sound it out, blend it much more accurately. So z, z, zig, zig, zag, 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 zig, zag, zigzag. Now remember, it's very important. Push these first two sounds together first and then add your final sound. Okay? What we don't want to see or hear is individual sounds. Z, a, k. Because that strategy may work for three-letter words like this, but when we come to bigger words like this, and we're going to get a lot of them, it's going to be much harder to use that strategy, which is what we don't want to use. We want to use that strategy of pushing all those sounds together, called blending.